Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my video here. Today I'll show you how I created my group created a database interface integrated with a lottery gaming system in which you can use the database to gain access to the employee data information, and from there you can proceed to games as well. If you own a company and you're doing lottery gaming, you can easily use these programs to make your work a little easier. First, I'll show you the login function. This here we're just taking one of the employee here, and this is DB browser for SQLite 3 that we used inside the Python program. And we use one of the employees here with employee 4, and 4 password is 1122. Notice the button register screen and the game selection is not yet activated. Press login. Login was successful, and you can see the buttons here for our selections has activated, in which you can choose to go to the game selection right away, or you can go to the register screen to make some edited for the personal files. We go to the registers database management system for now, and here we just add a new employee. We can use tab to go to the other entry, Mike Brown, address 34 New Road, email Mike Brown at Gmail, gender male, phone number, and here is the employee password. Just add no, press add no, record added. Notice the button just activated here, the next button here, and we'll go back to the database here, refresh. As you can see, Mike Brown was added to the database. Now we proceed to the game, show you the two games that I placed inside to the Python program or group. First game, 1-6. This here allows you to type in your customer pick. You can place your customer pick here, or you would like to do a quick pick with which the program generates quick pick numbers. And here you notice the numbers are 8, 15, the first two numbers. As we pick the program, we pick another set of numbers, and we press print. We can find these numbers in it. We can find these numbers printed out at our designated location here. C21, 28, 21. This is our we print it out to our designated located file, and we go to the other game to show you here the horses. This actually allows you to enter 8 numbers from 1 to 8, and you have to guess the generated number that the program will generate. And if you won the guess, if you get the same numbers, you won. Find results. As you can see, we lost because the numbers that we were close actually, because we typed in from 1, 2, 3, 4, but they switched wrong 5 and 6, 7 and 8, so it was a possible chance that we would have got a little close to winning, but we didn't. So yes, that is basically the games there, and we can find the winning numbers here printed out our designated location, as you can see. Now I'll just show you the basic functions of the registration system. Yes, here's the registration system. Now I'll show you the search and update. Search and updates allow you to basically like search for employees. You can search one of the employees in a database. Let's say Jade. Jade employee 11, ID 11, search now. And if we want to make a change, we can make a change. Change his phone number 6. Let's save the changes and we go back to the database. As you know, the numbers are here, and if we refresh, the numbers will change. The database was updated. I will show you what the delete function does. To quickly delete a record from your database. We say we want to delete Eon Bright, and that is employee 7, employee ID number 7. Press delete. The record was deleted, and we go back, refresh our database in SQLite 3. As you can see, Eon Bright was deleted from the database. Now, ladies and gentlemen, and that is how you can quickly integrate lottery gaming system and database management system in Python using Python programming.